Kaya gusto po niya Rose Victoria.
Oh.
Basag dila ayun pakuan. Dili ka dapit. Goldie. Kana ka.
Oh, darling, when I saw you standing there with your soft curls and your timeless flare, in a dress so sweet and eyes that gleam, you became the woman of my dreams.